Celebrating 20 years of giving, thank you blood donors have a team da World Blood Donors Day ki thoram pang thokre voluntary blood donors singi punsi ki mamal nai draba khudol piri ba miyo singni makoi dai kai khumna ba amadi tawbimal khangba amadi kai khumna ut pasangi haina health services ki director Dr. Sana Hanbi na phone thokre thoramadu state blood cell state health society national health mission Manipur madi state blood transfusion council Manipur Sindra GP women's college da pang thokhibani thoramadu da Dr. Sana Hanbi makha ta na hai World Blood Donors Day ki thoramasi sahi khuding tongan tongan pathim da pangthokna lali basi maroina pot amana mahut sinba ngamdaraba EPD ba miyo sim kai kumna ba badi thagat wahai thambani voluntary blood donation to basina miyo amana e walak matamda fanghandra miyo mag punsi kan ba khakta natana EPD ba miyo adita su kan kana ba kaya pi hai ba se mipang khuding na khangnara ba wafamni voluntary blood donors sing tholaktuna EPB ki hainabi amati sanabi am thamna ba tausi awab taraba kaya punsi kanminasi haina director na phongdoki thoramode the state mission director national health mission Manipur Dr. Samorjit Rims ki department of blood transfusion medicine ki professor Dr. Barindra Sharma Savings blood center ki senior MO in charge Dr. Konsam Surjit JP1 college ki principal Hijam Romi yauna college si mahiro NCC cadet sing Red Cross Society Manipur ki mihut yauna miyo kya sarug yakhe Thoramatu ko mari lain na voluntary blood donors sing da sakhang se pi dona kai kumna basu utke.
The objectives are to thank and recognize the millions of voluntary blood donors who have contributed to the health and the well-being of millions of people around the world, to highlight the continuous need of regular unpaid blood donation to achieve universal access to the safe blood transfusion. Hariba objectives asiga loinana sanction jabani handaki celebration is there. And the last objective is to promote a culture of regular blood donation among the youth and general public and to increase the diversity and the sustainability of the blood pool. Voluntary blood donor haiba say not only saving the life of the other those needed people, being a voluntary blood donor, ako'y healthy lifestyle ama madu kendo tawjabani haiba sima ay khangjan jare.